How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly receive money from Western Union and depositing it to your bank account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and you only need four things that you need to provide your sender with. Those four things being your full name, your bank account details, so you should already know this, like your account number, the name on the account and so on, your bank name, your bank address, and whatnot. Number three being the purpose of your remittance and your address and mobile number. So the idea here is you would want to use Western Union's tool, the tool being Online Agent Locator, to find a location near you where you'll actually submit a form to make the transfer. So just to show you guys what I mean, it looks a bit like this. So you want to look for the closest Western Union near you. So they have a tracker or map powered by Google Maps to actually look for their branches all around the world. And it's important that you find one that's labeled with agent, as you can see here. So next, we're basically going to go over to their branch to make the transfer. So Western Union's pretty much going to be doing all the heavy lifting, and all you have to do here is provide them with the necessary info, such as your name, or rather the sender's name, where the money was sent from, so the place of origin from where the sender is located at, test questions, and answer if applicable. So this is honestly just for security to make sure that both parties are aware, and the payee must present the correct amount of money. Oh, sorry, I mean the MTCN, or the money transfer control number. So if they match, then they Western Union will go ahead and make the transfer. Another thing that the agents or the clerks at Western Union will need are a completed form, your government ID when applicable, and they will actually use this to document and keep track of everything that's going on. So once that's done and everything seems to be in order, the agent clerk will do a background check on your ID, see if it's legit, and if it is, you'll end the day by signing a receipt, and Western Union will provide you with the money. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. It's quite simple. So all of it actually happens at the Western Union branch, and what we're doing online is basically just using the agent locator tool that they're going to provide you with. So this one right here. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.